Hi everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and I'm back again with one of my spiritual lessons. Now listen, today we're going to talk about communicating with your angels, and this is something I love to talk about. I'm going to make it quick though, because I really want to focus on how to communicate with your angels. So I'm asking you to watch this video all the way to the end, and if you need to, watch it again, because that is how powerful this lesson is. But before we get started, if you're new to My World of Metaphysics, this is a metaphysical law of attraction channel that gives nothing but spiritual manifesting lessons all in one place. But today we're focusing on angel communication. And don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell, but most of all, just keep watching my videos. And if you want to know anything about My World of Metaphysics, everything is in the description, including any products that I mention while I'm talking. So again, if you want to know how to communicate with your angels, keep watching. I'm back, everyone. Like, wow. This is one of my best topics, you guys, and when I talk about it, I get excited. Now, you already know that when I first started out, my channel was called Loving My Angels, but I felt like it was so constricted to one topic. I wanted to broaden who I really am, and that's how I ended up calling myself My World of Metaphysics. It's my world because I incorporate many things into my metaphysical spiritual knowledge that I'm teaching. So now, what is it that I have to tell you about angel communication? Now, if you don't believe in angel communication, you are missing out on your spiritual journey. Not only do you have angel communication, you have the universe, God, the God that dwells inside of you, your higher self, that is here guiding you, helping you with whatever it is that you're going through in life. So now, when it comes down to communicating with your angels, know that you are not here alone. God has placed angels, messengers around to assist you in time of needs. In fact, at all times. It's all about just connecting with your angels. Now, I will tell you this. You have free will here. That is why you are here. You're here to live your life the way you want to live your life, whether it's in hardship or if it's in abundance. But your life is a reflection of your inner self and what it is you are projecting out into the world. So now, when it comes down to angels, angels are there to help guide you. But again, you have free will. The first thing you want to do is open yourself up to communication with your angels. And it is just simply by inviting them in. It could be something as simple as guardian angels, archangels, spiritual guides. At this moment, I am opening my door and welcoming you into my life. I'm asking you to come step into my life and intervene whenever you can to guide me and direct me in my life. If I am going in the right direction, give me that thumbs up and just send me a sign letting me know that I'm going in the right direction. If I'm going in the wrong direction, give me that sign to let me know, hey, stop, don't go no further. My guardian angels, my archangels, my spiritual guides, I am welcoming you into my life right now at this moment. Wherever I am, I ask for you to be there too, to guide me and to protect me as I move on. It is something just as simple as that. And every day, this is the thing that I want to tell you. Start talking to your angels. Start talking to your angels as if your angels are with you in the human form. Like if they're standing right in front of you. Good morning, my angels. I know you're here. I know you're guiding me. I know you're protecting me. I know you're making sure everything is well with me. Start talking to your angels. Start spending time where you can quiet your mind. Start going places where you're walking in nature, going by the water, or just taking a walk around the block. Just being free with a free mind. And you can even talk to the angels about whatever it is you're going through or whatever it is, things that are coming up in your life. Maybe you're getting married. Maybe you're about to have a child. Whatever it is, as you walk, okay, I want you to start talking to the angels as if they're your best friend, because they are. They will never judge you and they will never tell your business. So who is the best to talk to besides God, the universe, the angels. Remember, there's only one system. There's only one supreme being, and that God has many names, okay? So no matter if we're talking about God, the universe, Jehovah, Allah, it is all the same. And God has messengers out there that are circulating, supporting you and me at the same time. So now, when it comes down to communicating with your angels, I need you to just know that they're there. Okay? Belief is what's going to get you there. Okay? And the communication is going to come in different ways. And I'm going to explain that to you as a bonus. Okay? So, little things that I do to open up myself for communication with my angels. If we're talking about crystals, it would be an amethyst, a clear quartz. I have them here. A lapis lazuli, okay? A lepidolite, okay? I'm giving you guys my secrets. Lepidolite, lapis lazuli, amethyst, clear crystal quartz, okay? I even have crystals all around my home, okay? This is a small one. This is a teacup holder, but it's an amethyst, okay? And then this was the amethyst that broke off somewhere, and I kept it. It was, in fact, it was a bracelet, and I kept it, okay? You can place amethyst around your house. You can place lapis lazuli around your house, iodolite, so many things to help you with your communication with the angels. Now, I will give you a hint. When it comes down to communicating with your angels, your spiritual guides, or your higher self beings, it's always the upper chakras. I would say your heart chakra up, okay? A lot of times getting messages will be your solar plexus. Okay, sometimes your third eye, okay? But that solar plexus, don't ignore it, it's powerful. And again, we're going to talk about that really quick. When you place crystals around your aura, you basically sending out that message to the angels, to God, the universe, that you're opening up with your spirituality, that you're working from a higher level of your heart and up. Remember, God is all love. And your throat chakra, is blue. You guys, blue. And it is for communication. So whenever you're dealing with angels, I usually carry around angel light. Okay, that's one that I usually put in here that I didn't put in here this time. I don't know where I put it at, but I carry around angel light when I'm talking to my angels or deceased loved ones or spiritual guides. It'll be angel light. When I want to get messages or communicate, it'll be lepidolite and again, lapis lazuli. Okay. Amethyst is just all in all. Now, the colors that I would deal with when it comes down to communicating, again, will be blue and purple. So, if I'm praying to the angels, I might would light a white candle for spirituality or a purple candle, okay? Or a blue candle for communication or maybe a yellow candle for my intuition where you get messages, okay? If I am wanting to clear away the negativity from around me, I might, before I pray to the angels, I might go around and sage my home or sage my surroundings. Again, I might do this once every couple of months, every 3 months, clearing away that negative, stagnant energy that could be in my house. Again, the main thing is just setting that intent. Now, incense, you can also burn incense. Again, this is sage. This is Archangel Gabriel, and is in charge, is the messenger of God, okay? And this is Archangel Michael, which I would say is the all in all, okay? So whatever it is, whatever float your boat, you go right ahead and do it. Whatever puts you in that mood to receive messages from the universe, from the angels, you go right ahead. The main thing is preparing yourself for communication and believing that it is already done. Okay, I also have here a silver candle. Wow, these little things are expensive too. I have here a silver candle, a little tiny candle that may burn in like 30 minutes. Silver represents the moon. And again, the moon represents intuition, divination, communication, spiritual knowledge. So silver is another color that you can use when dealing with communicating with the angels. What is a good day of communication would be Monday. Again, Monday represents the moon. Or it could be Wednesday, which is the day of communication, okay? But for me, it would absolutely be on a Monday, the day of the moon, or using silver, white, purple, or blue, or carrying around crystals that opens yourself up for communication, okay? Now, if you don't have any of these things, just speaking to your angels and acknowledging that they're there and opening yourself up for guidance, for protection, for communication. Maybe it's just companionship and you just want to speak to someone without judgment. Whatever it is, your angels are there. Now, one thing you can do to powerfully open yourself up for messages from the angels is to sit in quiet and close your eyes. And just imagine yourself going to a remote place. This remote place is the place where you always are, okay? When you want to speak to your angels. And you meet them there, whoever shows up, and then you just speak to them. And you just let out whatever it is you're feeling. And then go with the flow and see what messages come. Do not deny whatever it is you're getting. If the angels are saying, go ahead and do it, don't deny it. Just say, okay, and go for it, okay? If it's wise, okay? But go for it. If the angels say, stop doing this, then stop doing this, okay? I just got a message, and it was like, da. And I was like, whoa. And it made a whole big difference in my life, okay? Another thing you can do is your dreams. At night, while you're in the bed, just sit there and say, my angels, my guardian angels, the God within me, this is what is going on. I'm releasing it and I'm giving it to you. I'm asking you in my dream tonight, can you bring to me the answer or the path that I need to take? Whatever guidance you give me, I thank you and I thank you and I thank you. If you don't get a message that night, keep doing it. You will get the answer, and the answer will come at the right time. Okay? And listen, my angels have never failed me. Even times when I thought things didn't work out, it actually worked out for my best. How will you get your messages? Okay? Your messages might come in the dream. And again, that is one of the biggest ways you're going to get a message. You might get a feather. Hey, look, Yvette, I want to write a book. And every time you take one step towards writing that book, you get a feather. Believe me, it happens. Okay? Maybe you're going to look at properties, okay? And then you get a feather in one spot, a feather that came from nowhere that you just don't believe, where did this feather come from, okay? That there is no accidents, okay? That is a message. Maybe you might hear a song on the radio or see a TV show saying, go ahead and do it, or you got the power, or whatever, comforting you, letting you know to keep moving on. You might get the numbers, 1111, letting you know that you're opening up to spirituality and that your angels, your guardian angels, your spiritual guides are there for you. Okay? It's time to start working on your life purpose. There's many messages with 1111. Maybe you might get the number 444, letting you know the angels have heard you. 333, the ascended masters have heard you. Okay? 555, this is a time of change. Whatever it is, start paying attention to your surroundings, what's going on. There's many ways the angels will try to get your attention. And the more you pay attention to it, the more you acknowledge it, the more you believe it, the more you will see. It is your God's given right to communicate with your higher source, whether it's God or whether it's your angels, okay? And remember, the angels are messengers of God, of the universe, okay? So you can go and just walk outside right now and just speak to your angels. Bawl it out, let it out, and let the angels know that you are trusting them to come into your life and be there with you. Be there with you during trials and tribulations or whatever, but be there with you. And listen to me, they will be there for you. Regardless to whatever you're going through, your angels will be there for you. I don't want to get choked up right now, but they've been with me many, many, many times, and they're my best friends. So now listen, you guys. This is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics. If you like anything that I have said, don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the bell. And again, most of all, just keep watching the videos. If you want anything from sage, some sage to incense or candles, whatever you want. Everything is in the description. Again, everyone, this is Yvette from My World of Metaphysics, and namaste.